Hey guys, PMHK here. Obviously, now if you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're an OG, welcome back. I make tech videos every week, so if you're not already subscribed to the channel, make sure you do just that. Also, click that notification bells button so you can get notified whenever I upload a brand new video. Also, give this video a like because it actually helps the channel a ton. Now, in this video, I'm gonna do my hands-on with the iPhone 13 Pro. This is the graphite version that I have in front of me. Now, this is not a brand new unit, and actually thanks to one of my friends who actually bought on me the phone to do a couple of videos with it. So let's jump into this video. Now, this phone that I have here, as I mentioned, is the iPhone 13 Pro. This is a 256 gig version which supports ProRes. The 128 Pro does not support ProRes, mainly I think because ProRes takes a lot of space when you're recording it, and this is the graphite version. Is one of the darkest colorways you can actually buy on the Pro line of phones. And this version here is an American version that actually will come with a millimeter wave antenna, which is something that we don't locally get here in Africa, and also actually other side of the globe. Now, this phone here, as far as I can tell from just looking at it, the camera lens is actually quite big compared to my small iPhone mini. That's one thing I can tell for sure. On the side, you have the actual antenna that I was talking about. This is the millimeter wave antenna, which I actually also have on my iPhone, since that iPhone I got from the States as well. Everything else should actually be the same. You have your lightning port in the bottom, which many actually wish that Apple switched to USB-C. The notch actually also got reduced. I actually can tell that this notch here, I don't know if you guys can also, I can tell that the notch is actually a little bit smaller than the notch on other iPhones that I've seen. I'm not sure if it's smaller than the one on the iPhone mini. But yeah, you have your power button on your right hand side. You have your SIM tray port also right there. And then you have the up and down volume button, and you have silent on and silent off switch right there. Although this is not an unboxing, you also get, obviously, you get your lightning to USB-C cable, and you will get your literature. And as the past year, you're not gonna get the power brick on the box, and you're also not getting the headphones on the box. All right, so I am done setting up the phone, and one of the first things that I noticed that is different is that 120 Hertz ProMotion. Now, is this something that would make me buy this phone? Off the bat, I would say yes, as much as I don't think this is something that you guys should go and buy this phone for. But you guys are not going to be able to tell because the camera is recording at 24 frames per second, and so it's not really going to show on camera. Also, the other thing that I think most of you are gonna like using is that macro photography on your iPhone 13. Now micro photography on the iPhone 13 right now, it happens automatically, and all you really need to do is, let me see if I can actually demonstrate it to you guys like this. All you need to do is literally get close to your phone, and as you guys could see, it actually kind of change. So if I get close, the lens change, there we go, and then you can even get really close, and that's literally macro photography for you. So this is mainly going to be usable to take really close photography. That looks nasty. Close photography of your subject, such as maybe plants or even insects, but you guys actually are gonna know how to use that. And also, the other thing that the iPhone 13 has is that cinematic mode, where it actually changes focus from your subject to your background subject automatically actually, and you can also go and change it after the fact. So when you go to cinematic mode, which is also a mode that you get on your phone, if you guys see there on the camera, you have down there photo, video, and then you have cinematic mode. So if I change to cinematic mode, it goes to the camera side of cinematic mode. So it actually tells you cinematic mode, add beautiful shallow depth of field photo transitions to your videos. So let's maybe try that. There we go. So we have the phone there, and if you switch to record, you can actually see that is kind of switching, but I can actually also switch manually. And on the example that they showed on the Apple event, if a person is looking at the camera and then looks away at someone else that is in the back, the camera will automatically switch focus to the person that you are actually looking at, which is actually kind of an amazing feature. But one downside to it that I actually also just read is that cinematic mode only works at 1080 30 and it doesn't go higher than that, so you're not really gonna have the best of qualities, although 1080 actually should be okay. But yeah, this will be it for this quick hands-on of the iPhone 13 Pro. And because I only have this phone for a few days, I'm gonna try and see what other videos I can make about it. And by the time you see this video, I would have already returned the phone, and hopefully I would have covered as much as I could. All right, so make sure you subscribe to the channel. Also make sure you give this video a like, and also click the notification bells button so you can get notified whenever I upload my next iPhone 13 Pro video, and I'm going to catch you guys on that video. Peace.